Hey guys, it's Mary. I wanted to come on real quick and show you what I received the other day. I pre-ordered this probably a month or so ago, and I just received it last week. Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It's 24 days of crafty fun. It has die stamps, embossing folders, stencils, and embellishments. 24 crafty surprises. So it looks like, look at this. It's a mailbox on the outside. Letters. Let's see, it's pretty big. Letters on the inside. Isn't that cute? Now it shows some things on here on the back. I don't know if that's things that will be in there or it's just giving you examples. I don't know. But we will find out starting on December 1st. We're going to open each window every day along with the Crafter's Companion one that I've already showed you. So we're going to have 2 surprises every day. One from Crafter's Companion and one from Spellbinders. So tune in on December 1st when we open our first 2 windows. Until then, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.